From the Manhattan Cruise Terminal, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker on location.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, April 6th in a hotel room in New York City because it is raining outside right now. Another cruise ship is extending its time in dry dock. MSC Cruises has canceled multiple sailings on the MSC Seaview this month due to an extended shipyard stay for repairs over in Malta. The vessel was originally scheduled for a 2.5-week dry dock, but work is now slated to take at least double that. Cruises with embarkation dates from April 17th through May 1st have been canceled. The ship is expected to resume operations on May 3rd in Rome. The 5-year-old MSC Seaview is spending the summer operating Mediterranean voyages. And Holland America Line is celebrating its 150th anniversary this week with a unique 13-day transatlantic crossing on the MS Rotterdam. The route was designed to recreate the inaugural voyage of the original Rotterdam, but this one will sail in reverse, starting in New York and ending in Rotterdam. Later this morning, the ship will arrive here in Manhattan before it heads to Europe on Friday. The celebration will culminate in Rotterdam with a giant grand welcome on April 18th, marking the company's actual 150th birthday, where the line was founded in 1873. Rotterdam is the third ship in Holland America's Pinnacle class. And finally, Princess Cruises will be offering yet another total solar eclipse sailing next year and changing an itinerary to do so. The line is adjusting its April 5th sailing next year, which was a Panama Canal itinerary on Emerald Princess, to view the eclipse on April 8th. Guests will be able to view the eclipse through special glasses as the ship sails between Cabo San Lucas and Huatucal, Mexico. Next year's total solar eclipse will be the only one visible from North America until 2044. Maybe we bring Bonnie Tyler on that one. And cruise line stocks were down on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 9.66. Royal Caribbean down 2.8%, 61.99. And Norwegian down 2.5%, 12.92. Breaking news in this week's podcast, a review of Princess Cruises' Royal Princess over to Hawaii at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. Behind-the-scenes content and extras are now available at patreon.com/cruiseradio.